pag-aaral ang hinahangad ko. Ngunit di ko inakalang hahantong sa ganito ang mga pangyayari sa buhay ko. Kakamit ko ba ang hustisya? O ako ba'y gaganti sa mga ginawa nila? What the heck? I'm sorry.
Girl, sila yung pinakamaldita dito sa campus. Oo nga, ang harsh nila.
Girl, so annoying.
True.
Kasi annoying.
Hey, babe! Ano Hey, come back here! I'm not done!
Hey girls, can I get your IG account?
Sorry, I'm not interested.
But I'm interested too.
Girl, yung boyfriend mo. Yes, kidding. What the heck? What's the meaning of this, Skylar? Are you cheating on me?
No, I'm not.
Then what's the meaning of this? Explain it to me. You're literally holding this phone right now.
Wala lang to.
You think I'm an idiot?
Just asking for her IG account.
And you! Who the hell are you? At bakit? Sino ka ba?
Hoy Stella! Ano ginagawa mo?
What? Sumusobra ka na! At bakit lalaman ka?
Okay ka lang? Umalis na nga kayo?
Not done. Come on, girls. Mga hechicera. Pero naman, bestie yan. I really hate Korean so much. Sabi na din, lalo ko sa klase. Baka magawin ka niya sa top 1. Korean, right?
Yes, Bella, why?
Oh my god, did she just talk to you like that? How dare you? How dare you? Don't ever do that to me ever again. Bitawan mo mo, Stella. Put it in your mind that I'm still the princess and the beautiful girl in this campus.
Annoying.
Hey babe, what are you doing? Hey, talk to me.
Just don't disturb me right now. I'm doing something.
Give me that. Seriously, you're talking
Give it
to
back.
Rat? No, you're not. Look at that.
Nag-uusap lang naman kami ah. At tsaka, wala namang masama doon.
Are you cheating on me?
Wala nga, bingi ka ba?
Then what's the meaning of that?
Alam mo Stella, I'm done with you.
Is this because of Rian?
Well, wala ka nang paki doon.
And well, I'm breaking up with you.
Hey guys, just wait here for a moment. I'm going to return.
Okay.
You know, girl, Stella and Skylar just broke up.
Maybe because of Rian.
Yeah, I think so. Hintayin mo ako, Besa. Okay, take your time.
Oh my god. Did you know, I heard the other day that Rian's mother is a prostitute. Like, ew! She's so ill. God, what's with their family? Rian's coming. Oops, I'm so sorry, girl. I didn't see you. It's my fault. I think you deserve that. Yeah, let's go. Ano ginagawa niyo? Do you want my help? I can help you. Girl, I'm so lucky that my dad owns this school. And he's also the principal. That means I own this too. Am I right, Rita? Yeah, girl, I think it is.
Ito na naman siya.
Hi, girl. Hey, Rina. Oh my gosh, look at your hair. What happened? Did some storm caught on you?
Well, your face sucks too. Oh, too bad, sweetheart. I'm not a mirror you should look at. You should probably look at yourself. At least, Kyler chose me over you. Well, I'm richer than you, sweetheart. So stay away from Skylar or I'll worry a lot.
Girl, I think Rian and Skylar are dating. Is that so?
I'll make sure that Rian's life suffer when you help.
Maghintay muna tayo, Miss Stella. Sabing-sabi yan.
Malaking pera yun, par.
Hey boys, were you waiting for me? So let's have a deal. Take it or leave it.
Siyempre naman, Madam Stella. Ikaw pa ba?
Okay. So make it perfectly so I won't worry a thing. Okay?
Matagal, Madam Stella.
CR mo na ako, best.
It's been 30 minutes. Saan mo kayo si Lia?
Ria? Ria, are you there? Wala siya. Hey, Jessica.
What do you want, Stella?
I have an offer for you. Abandon Rian and you'll receive this cash.
I'm sorry, Stella, but I can't accept it.
Okay. Last deal. Accept this or I'll remove your scholarship and expel you out of the school. Take it or leave it. Okay, welcome to the group, Jessica.
Ano kayo? Anong gagawin niyo sa akin? Tulong!
walang makakarinig sa'yo dito.
Alam mo, magagawin naman tayo dito. Tsaka, kami nang bahala sa iyo. Huwag kang mag-alala, baby girl.
It's cold.
Madam Stella, nakatakas si Rian.
What? I thought you've dealt with her already. Fix this before something bad will happen. You got that?
Sige ma'am, masusunod po.
Ayoko makarating ito kay Daddy ah. Ayusin niyo yan.
Let's go grab some coffee. You're stressing me out. Mabuti pa.
Jessica! Nakita mo ba si Rian?
I don't know, Skylar.
Anong I don't know? Di ba palagi kayo magkasama?
Yun. Hindi na ngayon.
Jessica! Stella! Nasaan si Rian? Anong ginawa niyo sa kanya?
Wala akong sure.
Alam ko may pinalaman ka sa pagkawalan ni Rian.
Wala nga, di ba?
Pag nalaman kong ikaw may pakanan nito, ako makakalaban mo.
Sige. Tingnan natin. Stella!
Alam ko ikaw may kasalanan sa lahat na nangyari sa akin. Huwag ka na magmangan-mangan pa. Alam ko ikaw ang gumawa ng lahat ng ito.
Ang lakas mo na ng pagbintang. May ebidensya ka ba? Ang lakas talaga ng loob mo, no? Anong pruweba mo?
Ang sama mo!
Walang iyan! Balbal ka! Wala akong pruweba na ako ang may kagawa. Wag na po natin hahamulan. Wag mo rin ito. How dare you?
Stella, anong ginawa mo?
Rian!
Stella, patay na siya. I-dispatch siya ni Ned. Stella, anong gagawin natin?
Ako bahala.
Pre, sino yun? Parang may nagmamasid. Teka lang. Sino ka? Anong ginagawa mo dito? Kung isusumbong kahit anong nakita mo, intindihan mo?
my back! Stella, wala na si Rian. Diba, linigpit mo na? I know what I saw! She's a ghost! Ay nako, stay not busy. No! Get me out of here! No! No! Please! Rian, I'm sorry! Please, I'm sorry! No! No! Please!
Asa ko ba kasi si Stella? Pumunta lang siya ng faculty. Ang tagal naman niya. Parang sira yata yung ilaw.
Thank you.